Hello everyone, welcome back with the Libreoffice Writer, how to make text into landscape. Okay, first I will create new document. You can click here, writer document. And if you want to change this text into landscape, you can click a format. Click text style and will be show for text style default text style dialog box, and you can click add a page text. To change landscape, you can change in here. You can click in orientation option and you can click apply. So this back will be changed into landscape. If you want to back into portrait, you can click at this option and you can click apply. It will be back into default portrait and click again apply. It will be back into landscape. If you done, you can click OK. And now that's it, how to change a pack layout into landscape in LibreOffice software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.